Hi, magandang hapon. Kami ay galing pa ng Balabagan. Nagpapasalamat kami sa ating butihing mayor ng Parang, Maguindanao, for enjoining us for this event, the pickleball tournament.
Keep moving up, yeah, keep moving up. You make me
Happy 79 Araw ng Parang!
You make me go loco.
yeah, you drive me crazy, got me thinking maybe there's no controlling it.
You make me go loco.
Nagpapasalamat kami kay Mayor Ibay sa pagkandak ng 79th Araw ng Parang at nakalaw kami sa pickleball tournament.
Make me go muy loco.
You make me go loco. You make me go loco. You make me go loco. You make me go loco.
To our beloved Honorable Mayor Kahar P. Ibay and Honorable Vice Mayor Abdulaziz Ali, maraming salamat po sa inyong binigay na pickleball tournament sa amin, lalo na sa amin po ng mga kabataan. Nag-enjoy po talaga kami, Mayor and Vice, and sa mga councilor po, maraming salamat po at sa nag-initiative po ng pickleball tournament na ito. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, hindi wala po kami dito na nag-enjoy.
Yeah, you drive me crazy, got me thinking maybe there's no controlling it.